Hello guys, welcome to Alex with your new video. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on the price of Bitcoin. Today is Monday, another Bitcoin weekly candle close, and as we can see, so far it seems like we had a huge fake out, meaning that last week we reported or analyzed this kind of close, and as you may remember if you watch our video, we mentioned that we need a confirmation whether the Bitcoin was actually going to retest our 46,000 level. So meaning, in order for Bitcoin to retest our 46,000 level, this candle had to take out this candle, meaning that Bitcoin had to take out the 53,499.90 thousand dollars. As we can see, this candle went as low as 54,278, which means the bulls didn't allow this candle to take out the previous candle and push lower, so there was a reversal. This candle can work as a reversal candle, and as for that reason we had a push higher to retest our 59,000 level, and you can see we closed above our 50,000 level, with this week already pushing a little bit higher and having this candle pushing further up. That means this could be a reversal pattern, meaning if this candle close higher than this previous candle, that means is a V-shaped recovery or a reversal pattern for those who understand candle close. So to me, this is a very important weekly candle close. It could mean that we are reversing this downward pattern or reversing the correction that we mentioned on our previous video. Remember, we said that Bitcoin could be just doing a little correction. It could be 10, 20, 30 or 40%. And the reason why we also say that we are in a bull market and not in a bear market is because we are not even close to the red phase on the DXY on the super gap indicator. Only when the DXY gets to the red phase on the super gap indicator is when we are actually tapping into the acceleration process and the top. So so far our theory is going according to plan, and you can see that this bounce to the upside is completely normal. It belongs on this green phase where Bitcoin might have some dips and still is able to recover as it's still set to actually continue the bull market. With that said, we can see that Bitcoin is currently at 63,000. It's tapping to the 63,000 price target or price tag, and we want to actually do a quick Fibonacci retracement where we go to the top of this candle, this weak candle, and place it like this to see where the Bitcoin is going to find resistance next. And we can see that the next resistance for Bitcoin is the Fibonacci 618 around 65,000, and the 0.7 around 68,000. So that means Bitcoin is going to basically struggle around 55 and $68,000. If we are able to push and break these two levels, the only level that we are left with, which is the most important one, is the 73,000 level, meaning that a push toward our 73,000 level and breaking this level could open the doors for us to actually finally retest our 77,000 level, as you can see, which is the green line. So major price level to watch this week, the following weeks, is the 65,000 to 68,000. Breaking this level, we are left with the 73,000 level, and meaning that taking down these levels could allow us to tap into our 77,000 level, which is an area that Bitcoin never touched before, and it's also close to the top of our upward channel, and breaking this level could open the door for more further upside. And we can see that the Fibonacci say the 1.6 Fibonacci level, which one of the most is a golden pocket Fibonacci. It says that we could find resistance at 88,000 level. So we can see also that the DXY is still correcting as well. We mentioned in a previous video, the DXY is actually losing steam. You can see that the DXY has a weekly candle close below the super gap indicator. We haven't done that on the weekly candle for a long time, and the last time we did this, the DXY closed the weekly candle below the super gap indicator was back in March 2024, meaning when we actually were close to top this candle, or we were close to this the middle of the channel, where we found resistance in the middle of the channel. You can see it was the last time that DXY closed a candle below the super gap indicator. Since then, of course, we moved sideways because the DXY managed to bounce back up again. It was really comfortable as we were approaching this resistance. But on the other hand, the DXY found a resistance at the middle of this channel, upward channel, where Bitcoin also consolidated for a while and corrected. The thing is that DXY didn't get any stronger, didn't take out the middle of this channel, and is now as well in a weak position, while Bitcoin is actually trying to reverse this pattern. So DXY Bitcoin ratio, we can see our previous update. I mentioned that we were approaching this the 50 level on the RSI, and that could represent a local bottom for Bitcoin. And we can see since then we managed to bounce from the lows. We managed to bounce from the 54,000, 53,000 low back to 63,000. So this RSI was actually telling us that a bounce could be imminent, and this is what we got. So far it looks good, but of course we need further confirmation, meaning we need to keep closing candles above our 59,000 level. You can see the ratio is already back at our 59,000 level. You can see the ratio is reversing, going back to its original position, and this is what we want to continue to happen in order for the bulls to regain control of this bull market. Crypto fear and greed index, we can see, we mentioned in our previous video that going below the 26, going below 26 in fear would open the door for more fear, and of course we went as low as 25, which means extreme greed. Extreme greed is actually a level where we can actually find opportunity, or it signals that we are actually very close to a possible bottom or local bottom. That means this could be our local bottom, and so far everything is going according to our analysis, and we can see that so far the fear and greed index bounced already straight to 52 at the moment, which means it's a neutral territory. You know, the market is back, is escaped from fear. Extreme fear is now trying to assess what's going to happen next, and if Bitcoin is going to be able to continue to push up and close weekly candle above our 59,000 level. So that's the update for today, guys. That's the update for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and share this video with friends and family. And I hope to see you next Monday. Thank you very much.